Hello guys, did you like the video of these two guys choosing a birthday present? Okay, you had also subtitles just to help you, but you probably remember that you met some key expressions. What is that? It's a sort of, okay, what is it used for, made of, how does it work? Does it look like a or an? Are they? Is it big, small? Okay. And these were the questions and these were the answers. Okay. It was not particularly difficult. But let's have a look to how to describe an object. Okay. Describing objects. Okay. First of all, you can start from the size, okay, or the shape or the size, okay. What shape is it? So it may be square, round, oval, triangular, rectangular, okay, and you can give the shape, and you have to memorize the different forms you can find an object, and you can go on with the size. Tiny, little, small, medium-sized, big, enormous, huge, okay. You can go on with the color, okay, blue, red, and so on, very easy. And then you can also talk about the material, what is it made of, okay. Wood, plastic, leather, glass, rubber, okay, and you have to memorize again all the different colors, of course, size, material. What is it used for? And here remember to say it is used for opening, it is used for learning, it is used for cutting, sleeping, cooking, okay. Then the invention, it was first of all, I can also say other information. For example, it is if it is a portable, stylish, waterproof, heavy, okay. And you can finish telling the invention. It was invented by and the period in which it was invented, if you know it, okay. Okay, so let's see a very simple description. It is a nice, big and heavy old rectangular television set. It is made of glass, copper and plastic. It is used for watching movies, the news, soap operas, quiz programs, okay. Television was invented by John Logie Baird in 1925. Okay, so remember that the adjective order, okay, opinion, okay, so you can say nice, or bad, or terrible, or fantastic, okay. Then the size, okay, if it is big or small, then size, age, okay, if it is an old, if it is new, or if the age, if it is a quite ancient, dated object. The shape, okay, so if it is, for example, round, rectangular, or any shape. Color, origin, material, purpose and noun, okay. This is the best arrangement of adjectives, but of course you normally don't use a sentence with all these different adjectives, so it is very rare to use them all together in a single sentence, in a single clause, okay. But if you have, remember to use more or less this kind of arrangement, this kind of order, okay. Okay, now let's see an example of a description of a calculator. You see, basically a calculator is an electronic device. It is used for doing calculations. These days we have all kinds of calculators in the market. The ordinary calculators perform simple arithmetical operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are used for basic calculations. Human minds can err, but not the calculator. Speed and accuracy are the watchwords of a calculator. A calculator looks like a small plastic box. The board contains numbers from 0 to 9, and plus, minus, per, and this is, I think, divided marks, division marks. The push buttons carrying these numbers and signs are pressed to do the required calculations. Besides simple calculators, there are also sophisticated calculators to perform more complex operations. There are scientific calculators also which can perform various scientific functions. Calculators are mostly operated by battery cells. Electrical and solar calculators are also available in the market. Okay, so look and notice. It is used for doing calculations, okay? So this is the function, okay, of the calculator. So I use for and ing form of the verb to do, okay, for doing calculations, as I had already told you. But when I say that here, okay, these numbers and signs are pressed to do, ok? In questo caso uso l'infinito perché lo scopo sono spinti, pressati per fare I calcoli. So here I use the infinitive, to do, they are pressed to do. I go to school to learn, I stay at home to have a rest. Here, when it is used, when we talk about the function of an object, I use for and the ing form, okay? So pay attention to the difference between these one for doing and these one are pressed to do the required calculations. Okay? Okay, that's all. You will have to do a very short description, okay, of an object, okay? So you have to choose an object, or I give you the choice, I don't know, you will find it on the register, and you have to describe an object using more or less this example and using the slide I had already presented with the different words, the different possibilities in description. Okay, have a nice day.